Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Joystick replacement for palm for the Switch. So my Switch has been having the Joycon drifts. So here we are. Here's the kit. Hopefully this fixes the issue. So it comes with microfiber cloth. Some tool here, not so sure what it is for. Some pliers or tweezers. Alright, we got some tweezers here. And we have a precision screwdriver. This is the Y bit. I'm sure you can see that. A paintbrush for something. Another. It's for there's a Phillips or something. The plus sign screwdriver. A suction cup. Whole bunch of covers for your Joycon. A prying tool here. Besides, we need to sit through this side. What's this? Some screws, some springs, and something else I don't know. And 2 sets of Joycons, joysticks, and that's it. Surprised they don't give you instructions. Just gotta know, or maybe it's on Amazon, possibly. That's it. So if you're interested in this pack, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.